Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving out of downtown Kingston and we're heading towards Spanish Town Road. So we're currently on Port Royal Street and we're going to go down to Marcus Garvey Drive, and then from Marcus Garvey Drive we go on to Spanish Town Road. Alright, so basically Port Royal Street is one of the main streets in downtown Kingston. It takes you probably from the airport it takes you from the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard to Port Royal Street, and then from Port Royal Street you go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. So if you are leaving the Norman Manley International Airport, you would go you drive on to the Palisadoes Strip, and then from Palisadoes Strip you would go on to Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard, and then from Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard you would continue on to the road we're on now, Port Royal Street. So that just gives you an idea if you're coming from the airport. Now on the left is Ocean Boulevard, one of the most popular, or a very popular road in downtown Kingston. It has most of the high-rise buildings in downtown Kingston because Ocean Boulevard runs beside the Kingston Harbour. So the buildings that are built on Ocean Boulevard overlook the Kingston Harbour. Now on the right is a bus park, and at this intersection we're coming up to now, if we go left, that would take us to like Jamaica Customs, the Jamaica Customs Agency. The police force also has their, Coast Guard, but it's not the JDF. The police actually have a unit that deals with the coast as well. I don't remember the correct name for it, but it's located down there. Alright, we're now on Marcus Garvey Drive, and Marcus Garvey Drive has a lot of manufacturing plants on it, a lot of warehouses. Basically, because it's so close to the wharf, you find a lot of manufacturing and a lot of warehouses on this road. So as an example, on the left is Nutramix. They produce a lot of food items in Jamaica. They also have Petrojam, which is the oil refinery for Jamaica. You have JPS has a very large facility down here, the Hunts Bay Power Plant, and that's because these manufacturing companies on Marcus Garvey Drive, and a lot of them on Spanish Town Road, require a lot of electricity to operate the machinery. So at this intersection is Industrial Terrace, and if you turn right there it takes you into the Industrial Estate Complex, which is a complex of warehouses. And if you also continue straight on Industrial Terrace, it takes you back to Spanish Town Road, and it also takes you into West Kingston and the Tivoli Gardens area. This road also leads you to the Denham Town Police Station, which is a very popular police station in Kingston. Alright, on the right you'll see the JPS Hunts Bay Power Plant. It's actually on the left and the right. And as you can see, Marcus Garvey Drive was recently renovated and it was nicely done. It's 6 lanes. The only drawback is sometimes when it rains, this road has flooding on it. Not the entire road, but basically the drains that are in place are not large enough to accommodate the heavy rain. So you have some flooding. So on the left now is the Petrojam Facility, and as we said, that's a large. Well, I think it's the only oil refinery in Jamaica. Okay, you also access the Kingston Wharf, which is the largest wharf or the largest port in Jamaica off Marcus Garvey Drive. So on this intersection now, if you turn right, you go onto East Avenue, and that takes you into the Greenwich Town area. So at the next intersection, if you turn left, that takes you into the Newport West area, and that also leads you to the Kingston Wharf. Now on the left, that blue building is T. Geddes Grant. They are a distribution company in Jamaica, and basically you have a lot of distribution company, a lot of warehouses in this area. Now this intersection is where you turn left, you go into Newport West, and that leads you to the Kingston Wharf. Alright, so we're going to go straight and stay on Marcus Garvey Drive. Okay, on the right is basically bonded warehouses where they store the cars. If you turn left here, you can also enter the wharf or the Newport West area. On the right now is the Tinson Pan Aerodrome, which is a aerodrome. It's where the small planes can land in Jamaica. It's not an airport because it doesn't have the facilities to be called an airport, but it's basically a small airport, so to say. It's an aerodrome, but the small planes can land there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Now when we go straight ahead, we're going to intersect Spanish Town Road, and okay, we can just continue till we get to that road. So if we were to go straight here, we would go onto the Portmore Expressway, which takes us into the Portmore area. Alright, so straight ahead we will intersect with Spanish Town Road. Actually going to the 3 miles area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.